Bird and Kip. Episode 37. Bicycle. It is an early fall morning. Achoo! The air was chilly. Keep rocking for to keep warm. Keep Robert will do something. Keep the secret were hidden in yellow and green. Hi, Buzz, said Kip. What are you doing? No, not something, said Buzz. But Kip climbed down to Bird's nest. Can I see? Said Kip. Nope. Buzz turned her back to Kip. Come on, said Kip. Really, tell me what are you doing? No, said Buzz. Please, said Kip. No, said Buzz. I'm not insulting you. Kip tried to pick around us. Both moved inside. Kip tried to pick over Buzz, but right her shoulder. Why would you told me? Asked Kip. Because it's a cigarette, Kip said